Dear students, once again welcome to this YouTube channel. PUC first year physics, chapter number 1, physical world. Number of teaching hours is 1 and weightage of marks is 2. In some question paper 1 marks, maximum 2 marks on this topic. So I introduce myself, Manohar R. Pasmani, lecturer in physics. KL is Malagauda Patil PU College, Raibag. So let us to start physical world. Okay. See in this picture and think properly. So definitely we can find many things or many aspects which are related to physics. So in physics there are some important terms which are commonly used. First one is theory. So theory means the concept of natural phenomenon widely accepted after duly verification and experimentation is called theory. All of you heard the name theory, theory of relativity, etc. or any theory can be accepted only after verification and experimentation on it. Then it is considered as a theory. So next one is the law. All of you studied in previous classes many laws, Newton's laws of motion, gravitational law, etc. So the meaning of law, or which statement we can say it is law, means the correct statement related to verification and dependable facts of natural phenomenon is called law. Clear? Next, the term concept, which is also commonly used. It is an idea or a mental or physical picture that is used to analyze a natural phenomenon. Next, the term science. The word science originates from the Latin word scientia, meaning to know. Science is the way of gaining organized knowledge through observations, experiments, and theories. Now come to the term physics. All of you are studying physics, but the meaning of physics is the word is taken from the Greek word physis, means nature. Thus, physics deals with the study of nature and natural phenomenon associated with it. Hence, we are studying physics means we are studying nature as well as natural phenomenon. Physics may be defined as that branch of science which deals with the matter, energy and their interaction. All of you know about the matter means something that occupies space and having mass. Okay, so mainly physics can be classified as classical physics. So it means old physics and new physics, that one is modern physics. Classical physics developed prior to about the year 1890, or roughly you can say 1900. In classical physics, matter and energy are regarded as two separate entities. Anything that occupies space and has mass is matter, and energy is the capacity to move matter or to do work done. Next one is the modern physics. Modern physics began towards the end of 19th century, mainly to address many physical phenomenon that could not be explained by the law of classical physics. See, we can see one picture here. So that picture is about the atom. The centrally massive spheres means all spheres are at the center, and this central massive object is called a nucleus. Again, this nucleus is consisting of number of spheres. Some spheres, they are positively charged, called protons, and some spheres having mass but no charge. So these spheres, small spheres, no charge, are called neutrons, and some small particles which are revolving around this centrally massive object, that is nucleus, in different orbits. See, so in first circle we can see two particles, and these particles are negatively charged particles, and they are revolving with very high speed, and these particles are called electrons. And one more thing you have to remember, the charge of the electron is same as the charge of the proton, but proton is positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. But if you compare with their masses, the mass of the electron is very small as compared to mass of the proton. Okay, so this is about the some important terms which are studied in physics. Let us to discuss physics and mathematics. It is very important. See, to study physics, mathematics is very essential, and mathematics is considered to be the language of physics, and the students facing more difficulties in physics than mathematics, because if you want to study physics means you have to know clearly about mathematics, you have to know the laws and some definitions. So the ingredients required is more to study physics, hence the students facing a lot of difficulties in physics. So anyway, we can discuss in next class how the mathematics is essential to study physics. And one more thing, remember, especially for Kannada medium students, they facing a lot of difficulties to understand the subject, not only the physics, all subjects. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಹೆದರಬೇಡಿ. In future also we'll discuss not only in English, in Kannada also some important terms. But remember, if you practice it, nothing. Okay? ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದಿಂದ ಬಂದೇವಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೆದರೋ ಕಾರಣವಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಗಣಿತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೂ 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಸದನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೆದರೋ ಕಾರಣವಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇರುವಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚಿಂತೆಗೆಡಬೇಡಿ, ಧೃತಿಗೆಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, in next class we have to continue the remaining terms which are essential in physics and common in physics. Thank you once again.